it comes to dishwasher, it's better to get it installed by company personnel. For installation, you can contact Godrej Smart Care. Reach us via WhatsApp. Send hi to 9321 665511 or via our mobile app. Call toll-free 1800-209-5511 or SMS Godrej Care to 56677 or email smartcare@godrej.com. Before installation, you need to call a plumber to ensure water supply and drainage points and an electrician for a 16 ampere power socket. Godrej Eon dishwashers are equipped to adjust to different water hardness levels. The installation engineer will set the hardness level based on the initial water hardness test. You will not require to change this unless you shift to a new locality or city where water supply is different. Before the first wash, add dishwasher salt as shown till the tank is full. Dishwasher will keep using it based on requirement. The salt needs to be refilled in the dispenser compartment only when the salt indicator lights up. Dishwasher salt helps to soften hard water and protects the dishwasher from scaling, rusting and corrosion. Also, detergent action is better in soft water and you will get cleaner dishes. Rinse aid is used in the dishwasher for spotless and hygienically cleaned dishes. Rinse aid ensures shinier utensils without any dried water droplets or detergent residue. Detergent is used to effectively remove all grease and food stains. The detergent amount needed is 15 grams for half load and 25 grams for full load as shown by the marking in the detergent pocket in the door. For optimal results, scrape off any large food particles before loading the dishes as that can get stuck and clog the drain filter. If the food has hardened, you may need to let the dish soak first. Here's a quick demonstration of how to load the dishwasher with the dishes. While loading your dishwasher, place the utensils upside down without overlapping so that the water sprays are not blocked. Place your spoons and forks facing up and knives facing down. Last but not the least, check that the spray arms can rotate freely without being obstructed by your dishes. You can keep the spoon knives and forks in the basket provided. If you have fewer spoons to wash, you may place it here. In order to optimize the available space in your dishwasher, take some time to play around with a few different loading layouts since every home uses different type of utensils. Now let's take a close look at the control panel. This button will power on or off the dishwasher. You can select the desired wash program with this button. Wash programs in this dishwasher are Eco, Super 50 at 65 degrees Celsius and Intensive 65. Eco is a standard program for normally soiled daily use dishes. This mode saves energy and uses only 12 liters of water throughout the cycle. Super 50 at 65 degrees Celsius is an optimally timed 50-minute program to be used for normally soiled daily use dishes. Intensive 65 degree works best for heavily soiled dishes. Once you select any program, the LED light besides it lights up. Now press Start button for the program to begin. You can view the progress of the program cycle through indicators above the Start button, that is wash, dry and end cycle. At any point of time, if you want to pause the operation, press the Start button again. The half load button is suitable when you have lesser utensils. It consumes less energy and water. On pressing program and half load buttons together for 3 seconds, child lock is activated. When dishwasher is running low on salt and rinse aid, this indicator will light up. To go back to default settings anytime during the cycle, you can long press Start or pause button for 3 seconds. Dishwashers can effectively wash steel, porcelain, ceramic, glass, and melamine utensils perfectly. It can also wash Teflon-coated non-stick cookware that have a dishwasher safe sign. If you are washing any plasticware or siliconeware, ensure it is dishwasher safe. Copper, aluminium and silverwares should not be washed in the dishwasher. As a safe practice, always switch off the dishwasher from control panel and mains before loading and unloading. To avoid the drain filter from clogging, it is a good practice to remove and wash it thoroughly with water to get rid of unwanted food particles. Some do's and don'ts are mentioned on top of your dishwasher for easy reference.
Doing dishes is a thankless job. Faber introduces modern dishwashers for modern Indian families, specially designed for Indian household from the house of Faber. Breakthrough innovative technology uses 3 spray arms which ensure no corner is left uncovered, resulting in sparkling dishes in 15% less time. You choose when to run to help you match the run time to match your schedules in 24-hour period. Smooth, quiet and secure close for jerk-free closure. The glide rails ensure easy movement of baskets with loads as high as 9 kgs. Versatile design to meet the needs of Indian kitchen utensils. Height adjustable baskets designed to be flexible to the cutlery needs of multiple types of food items in our meals. Indicator to tell you exactly when to refill, and thus no bending and checking for refill requirement. Multiple program options. Power wash for the extra soiled, express for less dirty or smaller loads, extra drying for serveware. Available in standalone, semi-integrated and built-in formats. So, get this perfect companion for your kitchen. Buy now and continue to be the trendsetter in adapting modern kitchen practices with this designed for India dishwasher.
Is your dishwasher cleaning all of your dishes, even those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies? With LG Quad Wash, clean all of your dishes sparkling clean the first time. With 4 spray arms instead of 2, LG Quad Wash also includes multi-motion arms that rotate back and forth while spinning, providing enhanced coverage to clean every dish on every rack. It also gets things done faster, with its turbo cycle cleaning every dish in a mere 59 minutes. No matter the shape or size, you can get your dishes spotless with LG dishwashers.
Bosch dishwasher. visit the product detail page.